Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel Angi membership. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to cancel your Angi membership, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Angi application, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on your more icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside the settings, here you'll find the option that says manage membership. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then look for an icon or option that says cancel membership or end membership. Then once you're there, you'll be redirected to your browser. All you gotta do is follow the prompts and you may be asked for a reason why you're canceling. Then once done, simply confirm your cancellation, and if you don't see a cancel option, you can also call Angi customer service at 1-844-606-7010 or use the live chat feature on your website or have your account info ready. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.